a very good afternoon to all of you. Now you are most welcome in the Amrinder Digital Amrinder. And first of all, I just want to convey one thing that you have to think about sale. So how to get your first sale organically? Really, this is very important task. Here, I'm going to explore to you that you just think what is going on in the market, in the society, and as a whole in our daily routine life. Organic means free on social sites and doesn't need to go for paid. If you are thinking that you are going to sell something, first of all, you have to understand your products, understand your customer, and think about the presence online. So these are some points to be discussed here. So one by one, I am going to share my views and uh, take it very seriously that what is what and how we are going to think about this digital marketing. Now, I'm coming on the topic known as understand your products. If we are thinking about the product, who is going to buy our product and what is the quality of our product, we have to give a glimpse related to this topic. Understand your products. Product is very important for us, and really, this is undoubtedly gives us immense satisfaction if we have in our hand such type of products. Many entrepreneurs get their first few sales from their personal connections. Question is arising in our mind or the customers that if they are going to think about the product or we are going to sell our product, they are going to buy our product, why they are going to buy our product? Here, we have to think categorically that our product has quality, our product has some values, our some our product has some uh, different things in comparison to other products they are prevailing in the market. So our entrepreneurs, our customers, they are the very linking chain in our daily routine life. So the product should be important for us. So we have to think about our product also. In this connection, we have to share our products, our valuable items on our personal Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and other modes of platforms in our marketing values. The network is high. We people are going to sell our product effectively. If our network is very poor, maybe that we people are not going to sell our product in a very large quantity. So we have to consider in the very closest connections, directly or indirectly, to get the word out about our products launch. If we are going to launch any product, we have some feedbacks, we have some experiences, and actually we have to start selling to complete strangers and strategy, whatever we are going to think about our product. Now, I'm going to give an example. It is very easy that somebody is going to come in our shop, uh, or he or she is going to really want to purchase our product. So from where he or she had that information, so that that product is very useful, that product is very healthy, that product is very valuable, that product is very important for them or him. So we have to give systematic uh, systematic ideas related to that product on our online uh, market, online digital marketing, or other tasks which we are going to use in our marketing, digital marketing. Second thing I'm going to discuss, join online communities and groups. If we are going to sell our product, we have to join online communities here and there. And first and foremost is that we have to think about our values in the online marketing. Yeah, you can say the digital marketing. So we have to understand and don't underestimate the values of putting a link to your product in the right place. Just as how you see, you have to seek the recommendations by posting on groups and communities. You can also drive traffic to your products through them. Join groups here and there, your friend circle, your society members, and you should make it very attractive, qualitative, and valuable. If this processing is going on continuously, consistently, so your product will not uh, stand still in your store. It will automatically released in the hands of customers. So this is very important because of you are going to sell something. Authenticity is very important. Some values are there. You have to going to sell your products. Whatever the things you keep in your mind, you have to create and populate your social media profiles in your daily routine life. uh, from time to time you have to use such things in your daily uh, activities. And some channels, how we are recommending here to set in your mind and to update yourself accordingly, because of this time is a very computational time, and you can say the computational age people are belonging. So Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, you have to use such things so that you are going to give your product, you are going to sell your product automatically. And one thing I'm going to quote here, that all these things are under one umbrella. And this umbrella products, they are going to focuses on our qualities, our attitudes, our values, which we are going to inculcate in our products or in our behavior. Now, the very important term here, you have gone through the word known as avatar. Avatar in Hindu mythology, people are believing that avatar means some incarnation pertaining to the god or some supreme power. So, if you have the quality, you have some valuable items, there is no fraudness, there is nothing at all related to the health issue and the other related aspects to the society members. Automatically your product will sell, and you will have uh, a large number of customers in your chain, in your mind, in your uh, Google, Facebook, and other things, other the channels. You people have a large number of people in your dictionary. So, in your directory also. So, you have to think. And if you are going to demonstrate, suppose, related to your product, so you just focus on the very valuable aspects related to it. It doesn't mean that you are going to demonstrate something, you are going to sell some product, and you are going to release some item from your store to the society members. So first of all, you have to give the reality of the existing things which are concerned in your product. Otherwise, the society members, they will purchase, but it's in second time they will not come to buy your product. So first of all, you have to think what you are. If you are you are very real, you are very consistent in yourself, you have the purity in yourself, your actions are very pious. So if you are going to give, maybe that in one day only two or three products are going to sell, but gradually and gradually these products will the selling of these products automatically will increase day by day. So first of all, there should be reality, punctuality, sincerity, devotion, quality, and valuable things you have to enshrined in your behavior as well as in your product. So these are some valuable aspects I'm going to discuss here. And in nutshell, here I'm telling you that online presence is must if you are going to think about the digital marketing. And digital Amrinder is only the place where you are going to get the very valuable guidance related to the different platforms, so platforms, different channels, and this is only the source you are going to think about it, because of you people have the uh, whole solution in this area, in this platform, at this platform. So everything you people are going to have such and such things related to this digital marketing. All the solution, I can say very firmly that all the solutions are present if you are going to contact Digital Amrinder in the, the real sense of that term. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot. If you have any queries, just to ask me, I will tell you about it.